G'day Nomads, in this video I thought I would give a short rundown on the types of hardware and equipment that I've found really useful while traveling and working remotely. I'll mainly cover the essentials in this video, but I'll provide a full list of my gear over on my kit.co account, where you can find links to anything you think may help you. So let's crack into it. Firstly, your computer, obviously an essential. And for travel purposes, you can't beat the portability of a laptop. While a desktop computer will always be more powerful, a decent professional grade laptop will be more than adequate for most tasks. Although I come from a PC background personally, these days for my remote work I've gone 100% an Apple guy. While PC laptops will get you more bang for your buck, you just can't beat the Apple operating system in reliability, security, and ease of use. A PC laptop might last you 2 to 3 years, where a Mac would probably last you 5 or 6 years easily. If you aren't planning on doing work that's too processor heavy like browser-based work, office programs or writing, then a MacBook Air should suit you just fine. These are great laptops, but they don't have a dedicated cooling fan, so they tend to overheat easily when trying to do heavier tasks like video editing. If you're planning to do any creative work like video editing, photo editing, animation, or graphic design, then I highly recommend investing more into a MacBook Pro. This is your primary work tool you might use every day. You will get a lot more processing power, speed, and battery life from a MacBook Pro, and you will be more productive for it. Some remote companies will actually supply their remote employees with the tools they need to do their job, i.e. a laptop plus accessories. So it's worth checking with the company you're going for before spending all your money on your own equipment. No one wants to travel with 2 laptops. My favorite computer accessories depend on where I am working. If I'm working from home, I have more, as I have more space. I'm always plugging in my MacBook into a large 24 or 27-inch screen. I also have a laptop stand to bring the MacBook to my eye height, and an external Apple keyboard and wireless mouse to create a desktop environment that I can easily unplug from and take on the road with me when I need to. Being a bit of an audiophile, I believe every home office isn't complete without some nice sounding and looking speakers for that ambient background music too. If I'm working fully remotely, like from overseas, I'll usually have with me my MacBook, my Apple AirPod Pros for audio. These are great because they're super portable and have noise cancellation, which allows me to work peacefully even in noisy public locations and drown out the world with my music. And I'll usually have my Logitech wireless mouse and a small portable mouse pad with me too. The battery life and mouse tracking on this product is awesome. Other computer accessories to think about are external SSD drives and USB docks. SSD drives provide additional storage for your files. This is great for video editors and those working with large files like photographers. However, I always recommend backing up your work to the cloud, as SSD drives are easy to lose on the road. USB docks provide more handy inputs for your laptops too, so you should consider those as well. Obviously, being an Apple guy, I can't function without my iPhone. I have countless handy apps and navigating tools at my disposal, and airdropping files between my phone and laptop is now, I think, my favorite pastime. Yes, I'm a nerd. I also love having a portable charger with wireless charging on me at all times. I've found a really great one on Amazon, which has saved me on countless occasions, being able to charge my phone and other gadgets on the go. If you're into tablets, then an iPad and a stylus pen would be a great investment for anything from working, reading, writing, and drawing, all in a handy portable size. I personally prefer audiobooks, but I've started traveling with tablets more now that I'm getting into drawing and graphic design with the stylus pen. Cameras are a big topic to cover, and it really depends what you're wanting to film or take photos of. But generally speaking, there's some really great quality, small and portable Sony and Canon mirrorless vlogging cameras out there, and GoPros are a great portable solution as well. Between that and your smartphone, you should be well covered for your content creation needs on the go. When it comes to luggage, everyone travels differently. I personally like to travel light. I've made 2 hand luggage or cabin size backpacks last for 6-week trips. Not a lot of people would probably want to do that, but any longer and I'd definitely be taking a large check-in bag with me. In the future, I will do some more in-depth reviews on my favorite products in each of these categories, but hopefully this gives you a general overview of the tools you should be thinking about when investing in working remotely. As mentioned earlier, you can check out my full Nomad packing list in the links below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're interested, we have a free training that is absolutely packed full of value. The top 10 ways to make an income from your laptop today. Check it out in the links below, and I'll see you in the next one.